Intro scene sound, upbeat music, adventure vibes, narrator excited, inviting tone. Welcome to another episode of Time Travel is Bites. Today, we're exploring the fascinating tourist history of Mesor, one of the most underrated yet historic travel destinations in the world. Scene. Animated map zooms into Mesor. Subtitle, where is Mesor? Narrator. But first, where exactly is Mesor? And why did travelers start coming here? Buckle up, because we're going on a journey through time. Chapter 1. Ancient Mesor, the birthplace of tourism. Sound, mystical background music, echoing voices. Subtitle, Mesor, the land of ancient wonders. Narrator. Intriguing tone. Long before airplanes and hotels, Mesor was already a magnet for travelers. Imagine stepping back thousands of years ago when mighty temples, grand palaces, and bustling markets stood in their prime. Scene. Animation of ancient traders arriving by boat. Vos one as an ancient merchant, I have traveled for months to witness the great wonders of Mesor. The temples, the golden statues magnificent. Narrator. Archaeologists believe Mesor was a hub for cultural exchange, where merchants, philosophers, and explorers came to experience its treasures. Ancient texts even mention Mesor as the land of infinite stories. Pretty cool, right? Chapter 2. Mesor in the age of exploration. Sound, ocean waves, ship bells ringing. Subtitle, adventurers, mapmakers, and kings. Narrator. Fast forward to the age of exploration when Mesor became a must-see stop for legendary adventurers. European explorers wrote tales about the mysterious city with its hidden libraries and towering monuments. Scene. An explorer writing in his journal. Vos 2 as a European explorer. Dramatic tone. Mesor, land of mystery, gold, and wisdom. The people here live in harmony with nature, and their festivals are unlike anything I had ever seen. Chapter 3. The Golden Age of Tourism. Sound, classical music, carriage wheels on stone road. Subtitle, the rise of Grand Tour. Narrator. By the 19th century, Mesor had become a hotspot for wealthy tourists. Aristocrats, writers, and artists traveled here, capturing its beauty in paintings and poetry. Scene. Old-fashioned tourists in fancy clothes, admiring the scenery. Vos 3 as an aristocrat, fancy tone. Ah, Mesor. The sunsets here are divine, truly, a place of inspiration. Narrator. This was the time when hotels, guided tour, and souvenir shops first started popping up. Tourism was becoming an industry. Chapter 4. Mesor in modern tourism. Sound, airplane taking off, city sound. Subtitle, Mesor today, a new era. Narrator. Fast forward to today, and Mesor is still attracting visitors from all over the world. Now, travelers come not just for history, but also for its food, adventure, and stunning landscapes. Scene. A travel vlogger taking a selfie with Mesor's skyline. Vos for as a modern traveler, excited tone. Guys, I'm in Mesor, and it's amazing. You have to try the street food here. Narrator. With ecotourism, digital nomads, and social media, Mesor is once again reinventing itself as a top travel destination. Final thoughts and call to action. Sound, cheerful music, adventure vibe. Scene. Fast-paced montage of Mesor's historical and modern attractions. Narrator. Have you ever been to Mesor? Or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comment. Narrator. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the wonders of our world.